my sweeties, welcome back to our channel with Little Big Nessa
and Mommy Paulette. And today we have a tiny box.
And today we have a tiny box and
the bigger box,
which is Boxycharm.
Boxycharm.
Alright, so if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a $21 subscription and they usually send out 5 to 6 full-size items, anywhere from makeup, skin. If you are looking into eyeshadow palettes and all, like, I don't know, build your makeup arsenal, this is the box to get.
Can I tell them something?
Sure.
And you're covered a breast and with some cheeks, with mommy cheeks.
Mom cheeks.
Yeah, and that's it.
Alright, so let's get started. But usually how Boxycharm works is you get charms. And what are charms? They're basically points. And how do you earn points? You review your box. So make sure you get on your profile and you review your boxes, because then they accumulate and they have a little special store and they have all kinds of items which are also full size. Some items are from previous boxes and you can redeem the items, and this is actually a bonus item. So this is a blush and bronzer mini palette.
And they cover together.
Yes, and it's by Coastal Scents. And again, this is a bonus item. I accumulated charms and I got this for free. Just paid for the shipping.
Let me open this door.
Show them what it looks like. And so it's like blush and bronzer, and I think this is really cute for on the go.
I think I like this one and this one and this one.
Yeah, it's pretty. So I'll be trying it on and make a full look. And so far I like the combinations and the colors. Definitely something that you can take with you when you are traveling, because you have options. It comes with this cute little brush.
I like it.
It's like made out of bamboo.
It's
like
so
soft.
Ah, it's so soft.
Let me show them. And so it is angled, so you can definitely get in there and do your thing, chicken wing. So that is the bonus item. So now on to the actual items for Boxycharm August. Let's get to it. So first off, we have a pull-up card, and the theme is Life of the Parker. So this pull-out card tells you exactly how much each item is and what the items are in your box. It comes with different codes for you to purchase a couple of items from the brand that is included in the box. And this box was actually curated by Laura Lee. If you're not familiar with her, she is a beauty guru up on YouTube, so look her up. She's fun to watch.
And here we have this for eyes.
Yes, we have some eyelashes, and they're by House of Lashes.
I have eyelashes. Look.
Oh yes, you have eyelashes.
And you too.
Eyelashes. So these are some cute, fluffy, feathery eyelashes. And I don't normally wear eyelashes unless it's a special occasion. So I'm excited about these. So that's our first item. This is
I really want to
IPSY, New York. I hope I'm saying that right. And it's an organic infused age-defying nail treatment.
I think I know.
Yes, we do. So I'll be definitely using these.
And me too.
My nails chip easily, like crazy. So I'm hoping this helps.
My nails are like crazy too. This now.
Alright, moving on. What's the next item? Alright, so this is actually the reason for why I got this box. I had seen some spoilers, and it is actually a Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. It is called Party Animal, and it comes with 6 vibrant eyeshadows, and I don't have a lot of vibrant eyeshadows in my collection, so I thought I want to give it a try.
And I like this purple one and pink one and blue one.
And it comes with a mirror, so you can definitely use it and go on the go. So I'll be creating, I don't know, a crazy, colorful, don't press it, a crazy, colorful look using all these colors. So I'm excited about
this one is like, the pink one's like glittery.
Yes, you can see some glittery, some matte. I'm excited for this. All right. It is by Bang Beauty. And what it is a chocolate gel eyeliner.
I like chocolate.
Yes, we like chocolate. So it is eyeliner. And I don't normally wear gel eyeliner. So this is going to be interesting. And the cool thing about it is not black.
It smells good.
That is cool. Does it? Does it smell like chocolate? Well, just that in my nose.
It does smell good.
Yeah.
After and then it looks like a chocolate, but it's like.
I think she's hungry. I think she wants some chocolate. What is your favorite type of chocolate? Huh? What is your favorite type of chocolate?
The one is like a little like this, like
She's
this.
talking about the kisses, the little
The
miniature ones.
kisses.
The white ones with the swirl. Ooh, those are her favorite. Alright, so moving on. This is a liquid lipstick by Smashbox.
It's a lipstick.
Yes. And it is in the color, what?
Brown.
Deep Thoughts. As you can see, it got me thinking. So deep thoughts right there. Anyway, so I'll be testing this out as well.
They're
Moving
cute.
on.
They're green.
Last but not least, we have 3 Baggage Clean Gold Eye Mask. So they're by Wonder
We're
Beauty.
gonna try it out right now.
Probably not these. So they are like gold patches that go underneath your eye, and you just leave them on, and it's supposed to calm your eye bags. So I'm excited to try them out. I will keep you posted on these on the blog. I won't be doing these on camera because I already have some makeup on, and I think that it defeats the purpose of using these. But I will definitely keep you posted on the blog. So I'll be putting the link up there and down there. So alright, so it is swatch time, and I'm going to start with the Blush and Bronzer Mini Palette. And this is a little cute brush that came with it, and it is by Coastal Scents. Now, I did the swatching earlier with the brush, and you couldn't really see it on the camera, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use my fingers on this one. These are the swatches for the Blush and Bronzer Mini Palette. Again, they are very pigmented, very smooth and creamy, and when you use the brush, you're not going to get the same color intensity. So don't be afraid if you do decide to purchase this palette. It is much subtler. I did try to use the brush for swatching purposes, but honestly, you couldn't see anything on camera, so that's why I decided to go and dip it with my finger. Alright, so now moving on with the Smashbox Deep Thoughts. And it's very chocolatey for my taste. This is what the wand looks like. Alright, let's swatch it. So it's very creamy, very mousse-like. It does feel very soft and comfortable on the lips. However, I feel like it's too dark. It makes me kind of feel like, I don't know, chola kind. So I don't know if this is something that I would reach for very often. Definitely different from my color taste, but I do like the formula. It is very, again, creamy, very, you don't feel like you're wearing it. It does last, and you can drink, eat, and do all kinds of stuff and not worry about it smearing. Alright, now moving on with the gel eyeliner by Bang Beauty in the color chocolate. I don't have the correct brush, but I'll be using the e.l.f. Concealer brush. Alright. Okay, definitely very creamy. I could definitely see myself having a better handle when it comes to applying the eyeliner because let's just say I've been off my eyeliner game. So this can give me a more precise look. Again, I would probably use this brush or actually go and look for the correct eyeliner brush if that would make a difference. And I do like that it's not black. It is definitely different. I've never really considered wearing brown eyeliner. So this is something that I will test out and let you know how that looks. And that is for the eyeliner. Alright, so this is not really a swatch, it's more like a close-up of the items. And first off, we have these gorgeous eyelashes by House of Lashes. And as you can see, they're very full and they're very curly, and they're supposed to be reusable, so you can get multiple uses out of it, which is awesome. I do only use them for special occasion, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna try them on, not necessarily in this video, but in future videos I will try it out for you. We have next the nail treatment by Odyssey, and it's supposed to make your nails stronger and it has all kinds of great benefits to them. So I'm excited about that because my nails really need as much help as they can get. Next we have the Gold Eye Mask by Wonder Beauty, and if I flip it I can show you what they look like. So you're supposed to put these under your eyes and they're supposed to help with the under eye baggage, and I will be testing these out and I will keep you posted on my blog, and I'll link my blog below on the description box. And that's it for the close-ups. Alright, and now we have the palette by Miss Laura Lee, and it's called Party Animal, and as you can see, these colors are definitely screaming. They are so gorgeous. I'll just zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. So you have It's a Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Drinks, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. Alright, Bottoms Up and Hungover, they have glitter in them, as you can see. Alright, I'll be doing a swatch. This is what the final swatches look like, and they are very vivid and bright. However, once you use a brush, don't expect them to be so vibrant as they are in my swatching with my fingers. They are really blendable. There is some fallout, unfortunately, and you can create a lot of crazy, but you can also create beautiful looks with them. And I'll be showing you what they look like on my face. So far I think they are definitely worth having in your collection if you want a pop of color. You can use them as a whole palette like I will in the full look, or you can use some of them and just create different looks with them. So that is it for swatch time. this is the final look using all the items included in my Boxycharm. So I hope you like my complete look, and I will insert a photograph so you can get a closer look at the eyeshadow. You may or may not get this box. They have different variations, and we hope you liked our unboxing. And if you did, please give us a
big thumbs up, a heart for you,
and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future unboxing and all kinds of cool stuff coming to our channel, challenges, which I am going to be putting.
With some makeup with my mom, and I really gotta be really careful, and I hope I don't be crazy with my mom.
So make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.